In this video, we will show you how to easily obtain travel insurance through Europ assistance. First, let's visit the official website, which is user-friendly and simple to navigate. Once you're on the homepage, you will see options for different insurance products such as health, home, and travel. Today, we're focusing on travel insurance, which you can find under the Travel tab. One of the advantages of Europ assistance is that it offers comprehensive coverage for travelers worldwide. You can customize your insurance plan based on your destination, trip length, and specific needs. They also provide emergency assistance services, medical coverage, and cancellation protection, which are essential when traveling abroad. To get started, click on the Get a Quote button. You will need to provide some basic details such as your trip dates, destination, and the number of travelers. After that, you'll be presented with several insurance plans to choose from. Europ assistance clearly lays out the cost of each plan and what's covered. You can compare the options side by side to make sure you pick the best one for your trip. A great feature of Europ assistance is that they offer 24/7 customer service, ensuring you always have support if you need help during your travels. Additionally, the site provides clear details on what's covered, which makes the process of choosing insurance stress-free. One potential disadvantage is that some users may find the higher-tier plans a bit expensive, but the protection offered is well worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for an alternative recommendation for travel insurance, I suggest you check out Ecta Traveling. It's a reliable service that offers competitive rates and solid coverage options. You can explore more about it by clicking the link in the description, https://ektatraveling.dp.st/9ncnwbdz. It's worth considering if you're in need of a trustworthy travel insurance provider. Returning to Europ assistance, after you've selected the plan that fits your needs, you can proceed with the payment process, which is secure and straightforward. You'll receive confirmation of your coverage via email, along with important policy documents, so be sure to keep those handy. That's all for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content like this.